The police in Portland are probing the death of a man who died after reportedly being beaten during a break-in in the community of Art Hill Friday morning. It is reported that about 3 o'clock, 3 female occupants of the dwelling heard strange sound coming from a room and went to investigate. The man was reportedly seen inside the house with items in his possession. It is reported that he pulled a knife and threatened the woman while advancing towards them. A tussle reportedly ensued and the man was allegedly disarmed and beaten by the woman. The man was shot and killed by gunmen in Twickenham Park, Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Thursday morning. The deceased is 38-year-old Kenyatta Davis, a warehouse attendant of Sunlight Street, Kingston 13. Reports are that about 6:45 a.m. Davis was walking along the roadway when he was pounced upon by gunmen traveling on a motorcycle. They opened gunfire, hitting him before driving away from the scene. The police were summoned and Davis was assisted to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. Police investigations are ongoing into the development. 2 students of Tarrant High School were reportedly rushed to hospital Thursday afternoon after they were injured during a fight at the institution. One student was stabbed in the chest and the other received cuts over his eyes during what is being described as a gang fight. Police were reportedly called to the institution and had to fire several shots. The school was prematurely dismissed as a result of the incident. Some parents turned up to the school after their children called, stating that they were afraid. However, when they got to the school, the gates to the institution were locked. Police had to be called to the Television Jamaica studio after a security guard shot himself Thursday morning. Observer Online sources reveal that the 52-year-old security officer accidentally shot himself in the hand at the Retirement Road St. Andrews studio and was taken to hospital for treatment. It is understood that around 11:53 a.m. a loud explosion was heard coming from the lobby of the studio. Employees rushed to the lobby where they saw the security officer clutching his right hand. It reported to them that he accidentally shot himself and was subsequently rushed to the hospital. Police said the guard's licensed firearm have been seized as they continue their investigations. Interviews are to be conducted with several individuals who were at the scene, including a vice president from Supreme Ventures.